Hey guys, what's up? I'm looking hella crusty. I'm tired. I've had a really long day. I was sitting here trying to, since I woke up pretty much, all I've been doing is basically just trying to edit my video so that I can upload it. And the shit, literally I just spent I want to say 5 hours editing both of my videos. And my video would not export to save its life. It would not export whatsoever, from Final Cut Pro into actually becoming a file. So it took forever for that to happen. And then it took 2 hours for that to happen. And then after that, I'm trying to upload my video, and I've been trying to upload my video for 2 hours. My Wi-Fi started acting up. I don't know what the hell is going on, but it's blowing minds. I don't know. So now I have to go to Sephora because I have to run and get this stuff because I need it for a video that I want to make tomorrow. And it's just so much going on. I didn't even formally bring in this video. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. If you haven't so far, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. And I've said before, comment down below on what you guys want me to upload, what kind of videos you want me to upload and stuff like that, because I would really like to know, you feel me? Help your girl out. But basically I'm on my way to Sephora right now because I need to go get stuff. Sephora closes in less than an hour, and I'm supposed to be getting there 20 minutes before they close. I already know what I want, but I'm just gonna get it really quickly. Here we go, because I can't fit there. I'm just gonna get it very quickly and then head back home. I haven't eaten all day, so once I get home I want to eat. I'm starving. I can't with this. I'm sorry, but y'all gonna be tight because there's a lot of traffic, but I need to get in here. I've been stuck here for too long. Thank you. Alright y'all, so I'm at Sephora now. I just got some Fanta and the holy palette that I wanted. And now I'm looking around like I always do, and I shouldn't be doing because I'll end up spending way more money than I need to. But oh my god, this keeps falling. Alright, so you guys know already the lip liner that I always wear, or not always, but it's become my new thing, is the Sephora Molasses one. These are $13. So I'm about to get that. And let me see if they have the Fenty brow. Where's their Fenty station? I was just looking for the brow wax. Yeah. I've seen it online, but I'm not too sure. Yes, perfect. And is there a basket? I didn't see any in the front. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright, so let me check out because there's too much shit that I don't need to buy. Would you guys believe me if I told you that I didn't end up getting the freaking palette? Of course you would believe me because you guys know me already. I didn't get the palette. But it was for good reason, okay? I did not get the palette because I decided, instead of spending $67 on the Huda palette, and it only has a few colors that I'm really actually somewhat in love with, I could just get the Pat McGrath palette, which I ended up getting actually, and it had so many colors that I actually like and that I will actually wear, and that is very festive for the holiday season. So I was just I might as well just get these. And then on top of that, I had 4 Sephora gift cards from my birthday that I didn't use, so I'm just like, why not? Still got 2 more left over. So yeah, I did not get the palette, but I did get my glosses. I did get the brow what is this again? The brow wax that I wanted this for a while, but I seen Kinesthetic here on YouTube. My friend Kendra, I seen her use it and it made her eyebrows look really, really good. And I love that look of, like, you know, you can see my brow hairs. So I wanted to get my hands on these for a minute. I had tried them once during the photo shoot and it was like so bomb. So definitely got that. But now I'm about to get home, eat. I'm hungry. I got all of that done before they close. It's 5:55 now. I got here like 5:37, so I didn't spend no more than like 10 minutes in there, okay? So I'm about to get home, and I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Hopefully, I can upload this damn video, because it seems like this video is going to be up at like 7 o'clock. I be trying. Such is life. Alright, y'all. Got my food. I'm on my way back home. As soon as I get home, hopefully, I asked my little sisters and they said that the Wi-Fi is better now, so hopefully I'm able to upload it. It is 6:39. It took me 40 minutes to get home. Traffic was crazy. 15 minutes to get one place and 40 minutes to get back home, but yeah. Alright guys, I'm back home. I just finished eating and the first video has uploaded successfully. It's just processing. Let me just refresh it because it may have finished processing. I'm not too sure. It's uploaded, but this thumbnail is ugly as hell. Y'all could have gave me something else. I'll just put that for now. Okay. So yeah, this one uploaded finally, which is Vlogmas Day 11. Let me show you guys. Okay. Vlogmas Day 11 is just a chit chat, get ready with me. Now I'm going to upload. What has happened to my lighting? What's going on here? My lighting had just got hella orange. I don't know why, and I didn't know how to change it. I'm going to upload day 12's video as well, because that is, oh, I forgot that I didn't export it. Hopefully this does not give me as much problems as it did the first time around when I was trying to export it. But yep, that is the correct title. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. So I'm just gonna wait for this to upload, and then once this uploads, well, share and become a file. And once that happens, please ignore my, what is this again? Azul bottle. I've had it there because I'm just like, if anything, I want to buy a pampas and I want to clean out the inside of the pampas, well, the inside of this bottle, and just put my pampas inside of it and use that as a vase. Spending freaking $200 on a bottle that barely got any liquor in it, might as well. So yeah, once I finish uploading that, I am pretty much going to go to bed because I'm tired, and edit this video tomorrow for the next day. I'm pretty much good, guys. I've caught up. Well, not really caught up in the process of like the days, but like physically I have caught up in the sense of like I am not like shooting to upload the next day. So now it's kind of like I'm 2 days ahead of time. And like I said, if there comes a time that I don't feel like shooting, I give myself room to like slow down a little bit. But I don't want that to happen, so I'm trying to shoot as much as possible, shoot as much content as possible. And that's the reason why I even went to Sephora, because like I want to do another sit down, get ready with me and stuff like that. I have a couple of videos, like 3 sit down videos in mind, and I plan on having that throughout the weeks. I want them to be like, I do a sit down video this week during Vlogmas, then next week during Vlogmas, and the final week during Vlogmas. You know what I'm saying? Where I want most of them to be vlogs, and then I'll have like here and there sit downs. But let me just go ahead and show you guys this palette. So I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of this palette. When I seen this palette, I don't think I've seen it before. I have been watching people's like YouTube videos in so long. So, oh, there's a whole opening side on this side. So I'm pretty sure people have used this. I'm pretty sure Jackie Aina has probably talked about this because she loves Pat McGrath. But look at this packaging, super cute. Look at that. What's the name of this palette? It's called Celestial Divinity. I feel like I've heard this before. And in the back, it has like a slide out. Palette comes straight out. And then all the names of the shadows are in the back. Okay, really nice. I like this. And then these are the colors, you guys. You see these colors? Like, these are colors that I know that I'm going to use. And these colors, like a lot of these colors, like the pinks and the purples, like the pinks, well, the pink, the purples, the deep purples, the browns, like these are colors that I felt like the pink right here, this like multicolor, it reminds me of a MAC shadow. Like it was like a green and brown shadow, like a loose pigment that MAC had. And I felt like I would use more of this. I felt like I would use more colors in this than I would with the Huda Beauty palette. I wanted it, but I just felt like a lot of the colors also looked very like just, it was like a palette where you only can do one type of look. I feel like if somebody who really knew how to do, someone who really knows a lot about makeup and studied that palette, if you wear an eyeshadow look from that palette, they'll know that you were using that palette. You get what I'm saying? Because all of the colors seem like they all went with each other to create one type of look. Yeah, they had like different color like lid colors, but like the transition, the crease color, they were all going to be the same colors because there's not really much else you could use. And of course this one too, but I just feel like I have more flexibility with this. Like I didn't feel like I had enough flexibility with the other one, but I feel like I have more flexibility with colors with this, and a lot of these colors are colors that I would use. So yeah, that's why I got this one. And for everything else, you will be seeing that in a video soon. So I'm just going to put this to the side. And yeah, keep an eye out for my videos. I also have to edit my day 11 vlog to make it into a mini Instagram video for tomorrow because I want to upload it. And then I have to try to figure out how I'm gonna shoot. I need to shoot like clothing, and I don't know how I'm gonna shoot or who's gonna shoot me. That's the problem. I don't have anybody to shoot me. But once I figure all of that out, I'll just do it, because it's not like you guys follow me around all day. And after like vlogging, I try to vlog up until a certain point, and then after that I just want to like chill a little bit, because baby girl, I be tired. I be wanting to like relax, and I feel like I haven't like relaxed in a while. I want to. I don't know if it's realistic to say that I'm going to shoot a video tomorrow. It depends on how much I get done before I have to go out, because it's my cousin's official grand opening tomorrow. So I just feel like I don't know if I can fit all of that into my schedule, but we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, that is the ending of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed Vlogmas thus far. I ended the same way. And if you have not watched any of my other Vlogmas videos, then make sure you check the description box down below for the link to my Vlogmas playlist. Okay? And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? And hit the notification button so you're the first one to know when I upload a video. Bye. Just like the ones I used to know.